In this video, I'm going to show you how to remove Google Calendar sharing quickly and safely. If you've shared a calendar with someone and you want to stop them from seeing your events, this step-by-step guide will walk you through exactly what to do. Whether you're cleaning up old sharing settings, removing access for a coworker, or just tightening your privacy, this is a simple process that only takes a minute. And if this tutorial helps, make sure to hit that like button and subscribe for more easy software guides just like this. Alright, let's jump in. First, open Google Calendar in your browser or app and make sure you're signed in to the correct Google account. Once the calendar loads, look to the left side of the screen under My Calendars. This is where all of your calendars are listed, and you'll want to find the specific calendar that you no longer want to share. If you manage more than one calendar, take a moment here to choose the right one so you don't change the wrong sharing settings. Next, move your mouse over that calendar name and click the three dots next to it. This opens the options menu for that calendar. From the menu, select Settings and Sharing. This will take you into the detailed settings page where you can control privacy, permissions, and who has access to the calendar. Once you're on the settings page, scroll down to the section labeled Share with specific people or groups. This area shows everyone who currently has access to your calendar. Find the person you want to remove, then click the X next to their name. As soon as you do that, their access will be removed from the calendar. If you're removing multiple people, repeat the same step for each person you no longer want to share with. After that, it's a good idea to scroll through the rest of the settings and double check that your sharing preferences look correct. If needed, you can also review the general access settings to make sure the calendar isn't visible to more people than you intended. And that's it. You've successfully removed Google Calendar sharing for that person. This is a really useful skill if you want to stay organized and protect your privacy. If this video helped, please give it a like and subscribe to the channel for more quick tutorials, productivity tips, and step-by-step tech guides. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.